Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video, man. And as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, man, I gotta give y'all something. I realized that since I had this work done on the car, I have not given y'all any flybys, you know, just letting you hear how the car sounds, like wide open throttle, just letting you see it just do its thing or whatever. So that's what y'all gonna be looking at now. I will say, I have these Bridgestone tires on, and these are not performance tires. They are really strictly for longevity. I'm not expecting great things when it comes to donuts and burnouts and stuff like that, but I'll try, you know what I mean? I'll do the best I can with it. I'm not a professional myself, but you know, we'll see what we can do. So hope y'all enjoy it, man. If it's your first time at the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see more stuff like this. Peace. Yo, I had to add this in here, man, but I'm at the gas station right now, about to fill up, and I just realized something. I totally destroyed my tire, bro. Look at this. That joint is bald on the inside. I just got these tires. Look at that. Yo, that's crazy.
Now check out this week's top trending music.
These are good. This one over here is done. Yo, that is crazy. And this ain't helping either.
sounds like. Howard, my Live Nation.
I don't know,
For
bro.
all these things. Come on.
All right, y'all. So y'all seen the flybys. You seen the attempt at a donut at Donuts or whatever. Seen a little bit of burnout type stuff. Now, I think when it comes to burnouts, these are really good for that because there ain't nothing to spinning. But as far as the donuts are concerned, I don't, and it could have been the terrain that I was on too. I don't feel like it's good for that. I mean, me personally, I'm not the best at the technique of doing donuts and stuff like that. Y'all let me know in the comment section, you know, what's been your experience, or I don't know. I just gotta Google that, man. I gotta try to YouTube that too to see what's best, man, as far as how to do a proper donut, especially in this car right here, man. But anyway, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment below, let me know what y'all think, man. I know my car is like, what the hell? Because I have not done that type of stuff in this car in a very, very long time, especially since I had the work done to it. But thankfully, you know, it's built for that type of pounding. Pause. So I really do want to get some type of races in, man, as far as, you know, racing the Scat to see what it can really do. But man, it's just hard to find people that are willing to do it. One, because of the gas prices, and two, because in my area, especially in the Atlanta area, it's hot out here for us right now, you know, for charges and challenges. So I'm still working on that, man, but I promise I'm gonna bring that to y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all be safe out here in these streets. I'll holler at y'all in the next one, man. Peace.